How to fix we disable your account Facebook 180 days fix. So if you want to fix the we disable your account on Facebook 180 days, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and just go with the search, and under search you need to search for Facebook support or Facebook help center. And after searching here, you will get recover your account or recover your Facebook page. So simply tap on it, which will be on the second option, and it will take you to recover your account page. Now if you scroll down, then you will have an option of was this helpful. Simply tap on no and then go with the other. So you need to write, hi, I need to recover my Facebook account as it was disabled for 180 days. This is a mistake by Facebook and I didn't do anything that goes against the Facebook community guidelines. This is the info for my account, and you need to enter the email, phone number, and your name, and after that go with submit. Once you've submitted, then Facebook will receive the information, and you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours, and make sure that you double check so that you have access to that email that you wrote in here as well, because in 24 to 48 hours you will get an email response from the Facebook support, and that email will actually clarify that if you're able to restore your account or not. So that's how you can fix we disable your Facebook account 180 days fix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.